Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing from my favorite brand, well, one of my favorite brands, Louis Vuitton. I got this like a couple months ago and I've been using it, and I am just so excited to share this item with you guys. It is a hard piece and I think it is discontinued, so if you want to know what I got, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Scotto. I like to do luxury content here on YouTube, like unboxings, reviews, what's in my bags, all that fun stuff. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to subscribe and let's be friends. I love talking about handbags and I can talk about them all day long. So I'm so happy that I have a community here on YouTube where I can just talk to you guys about handbags and you guys get it, you know? So yeah, let's get right into this video. This is the Ginormous Box that it came in. It is so big. And it is a magnetic opening enclosure. Wow, I really miss doing Louis Vuitton unboxings. I've done quite a few on my channel, so if you haven't watched those, just something special about Louis Vuitton unboxings. I love watching them on YouTube as well. They're just so much fun. So yeah, big box, magnetic opening enclosure, and it opens like this, and there's nothing in the box because I didn't want to put it back in the box the way it came. But here is the ribbons as well. Like, there was so much ribbon, and this is the big dust bag that it came in, drawstring, which I love because I like to store it in there when I'm not using it. And for the reveal, the item that I got is the the Louis Vuitton Speedy 40. I am so incredibly happy about this bag. So I just checked the website. It actually is still available, so if you guys are looking for this, it is online. I am so incredibly happy about this bag. I wanted a Speedy for such a long time, and I was so shocked that I was still able to get this. I don't know who told me, but they said that this was gonna get discontinued and wasn't available anymore, and then I just checked and it's still available. So if you guys want it, go snag it up before it goes. But yeah, I am so happy about this bag. I got it in the LV Monogram Classic, and I have been using this for a couple months now, and it's aging, the leather, and I'm so in love with it. I love bags that the patina on them age, and it's just beautiful. So let me show you up close. So yeah, again, the LV Monogram, it does have the lock on it. I put the lock right here, and it comes with a key. And then on this side right there, and then the handles are patina leather, and yeah, here's an up close of that. And it is a zipper opening enclosure, which is so nice, so buttery smooth. And then on the inside, it's just this huge opening, and then you have a little pocket right here, which is really nice. And then in here I have still like the tag, and it's crazy because I just checked online for the price and now it retails for $16.90. I paid $1,200 for it, so it has gone up in price quite a bit. But that's that. And then just the fabric, and then I just store my keys in here. This pouch is so cute. That's what it comes with, and then here are the keys. So yeah, I can't wait to do a review on this bag and show you what can actually fit in here. I think it's just the perfect size. I don't use this like a day-to-day bag because it's too big, but I do take this when I'm going away for the weekend or to a sleepover or something like that, and I'm not going to be home for the day. So I also like to put my laptop in here, and whenever I'm going to a coffee shop or something, I like to put my stuff in here. And also it's nice because it comes also with a D-ring, so you can put your keys on there. You don't get it lost within the bag because you'll be pleasantly surprised that you can lose things. I still have to get like an organizer, but I can't wait to do that because then the shape, because it does like sag a little when you put a lot of things in it, but that is totally fine by me. I'm just gonna get an organizer and it will solve that problem. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. Put my name on the screen and I'll show you guys some hot shots. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night or day wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.